Hey guys, today I wanted to show you the EcoExtreme 2 waterproof case and Bluetooth speaker. This is a great option for anybody looking for on-the-go audio to be used with your golf cart, on your kayak, going hiking. It's a great option. It's got some neat features too. I can show you those here in a moment. I wanted to open it up, show you guys what it looked like. It's going to come with some instructions, a nice sticker, a carabiner clip, charging cable. Fits most phones. Will fit an iPhone Pro Max on here, so it's very big. Probably fit your keys as well. We'll connect up and show you guys how it works. All right, now that we're all paired up, I wanted to show you guys some of the features that this has. Now, this has a walkie-talkie feature if your friend downloads the Zello app. Now, I just tried to use it here while filming the video, and my phone won't let me do that. So we'll show you guys that at the end. This, once you're connected up via Bluetooth, you can control your phone right through this panel here. Skip songs, adjust your volume. Show you guys what it's like on the inside. Fits an iPhone nicely. Can fit your key fob in here as well. Now, with this being a waterproof case, Eco recommends you put a piece of paper in here initially and put it in water for 30 minutes. If your paper stays dry, then it's good to go. You can put your phone in here, your key fob in here, and you should be safe. Now, if it does get wet, you want to contact EcoX Gear, and they're most likely going to have to send you a replacement if that's the case. This came with a cool carabiner clip, so I can hang this, off the roof of my golf cart. I can put this in the glove box of the cart, hang it from my backpack or on my kayak when I go out. Really neat. Highly recommend this for anybody looking for a cost-effective audio system. Very durable as well. Comes with a 1-year warranty. Great product, highly recommend it. Hope this was informative, guys. Take care. Ryan with Extreme Carts coming in. Anybody there? Ryan with Extreme Carts coming in. Anybody there?